Hi, I'm Dr. Osman. Dear colleagues, sometimes removing existing crowns or bridges is impossible to prepare an ideal mock-up. It's easy to extract, reduce, or reform digitally. Blender software has a lot of great tools. We can select a certain area, delete, fill, or edit using Blender's tools. Of course, we need a reference while sculpting the teeth. It's possible to add the patient's face photos and merge with STL models. Then we can prepare a very accurate and precise mockup with the help of the reference photos. The incisal plane, midline, and the proportions of the teeth are very accurate. We also have the possibility to use a 2D smile design project photo of the patients as a reference. Everything is possible with Blender. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please make sure you like the videos, subscribe, and share it with your colleagues. Bye!